if you're a new trader or even a semi-pro trader, then you know how hard it is for you to actually make money in the Forex markets. Now in this video, I took on a trade that really made me some very good fortune. So what I'm going to be doing is to show you exactly how I came up with this trade for me to be able to make these big wins. Probably this might be able to kickstart your profitable Forex trading journey for you to be able to also make money for yourself. Now what I did was to go for the USD JPY Forex trading pair, and my target was only 30 pips in the markets. If you happen to also get some value from this video, please do all those good things for me. Like the video, subscribe, and all that good thing. You can as well go ahead, comment in the comment section for you to let me know exactly how this video helped you. Okay, so here we are in the Forex market, and we are looking at the USD JPY pair. So basically this is how I basically went about this particular trade. So I'm looking at the 15-minute time frame, and what I basically did, I got my swing low, which was right here. Then by that time my swing high was at this point. So basically I went ahead and waited for this market to actually come back to the equilibrium level, which you basically see here. It crossed very well, so which meant my market was in the discount levels. So what I did, I waited for it to actually pass this discount level, and what happened, it basically went ahead and formed this falling wedge, as you can see. So I went ahead, drew out these trend lines to basically show me that this market was in a falling wedge structure. So you can see right here, this is the pattern that it actually created. So I went ahead, drew out these trend lines, basically helping me confirm that this is actually a falling wedge. And usually when we have a falling wedge, the next thing the market is going to do, it is actually going on a rise, especially if the trend has been an upward trend. So this is exactly what it did. So what I did, I went ahead, took this trade because I put actually my stop loss right here, because I knew this was the market took out whoever had placed their stop loss at this level. So what I did, I went ahead, put my stop loss slightly below that, and then I was able to take my trade targeting 30 pips in the market. So you can see right here, these are 30 pips. So I was able to actually target this level right here because this was our previous high. So I targeted somewhere here, and then I was able to actually this trade was able to hit my take profit, which was 30 pips, and I was smiling and smiling. Well, that's exactly how you make money in the Forex markets. If you would like to exactly learn how to trade the Forex markets, you can go ahead, head over to the comment section. You can type in yes, so that I'm able to actually create more videos that will enable you actually learn how to trade the Forex markets in a better way by creating beginner guide videos that will basically take you on that journey for you to become a successful or profitable Forex trader.